Well, the Dubai Air Show has been all about collaborations, reacquaintances and announcements, and one company that have made quite a few announcements is MENA Aerospace. And to tell us more, I have their founder and their MD, Dr Mohamed Juman. Now, I've just mentioned you have a lot of announcements, so where do we start really?
Thank you for giving us the opportunity to discuss MENA Aerospace and where we've been over the past couple of years. The Dubai Air Show has been a great platform for us. Not only has it been a platform for reacquaintances, but it's also a platform for readjusting our strategy. Over the past few years, our strategy has always been on the private jet industry and the MRO sector. Right now, over the past year, with what happened with COVID and readjustment within the aviation sector, we really had to readjust our own strategy. We want to still maintain our operations within the private jet sector, so what we did was sign up an agreement between us and Sparfeld, an Austrian-based entity that have been working with us in the past. We found that allowed us to continue providing our clients, our customers with the same and even a better level of service, and we've seen that our revenue streams have been maintained in that sector. However, we also have to look forward, what's happening in the market. So last year, around the June time area, we said, let's look at our strategy. What is the strategy that we are going to look for as being an airline, and where do we place ourselves in the global market? So we've decided to move into a very niche area of the cargo industry, and MENA Aerospace has got its first cargo AOC in September of this year, and we've had our first aircraft, which is a 737-300, starting operation next month, plus another 3 737-800s coming on as freighters to serve the Middle East market. And in addition to that, our focus is going to shift to Saudi Arabia, another growth market, and Africa. We're going to serve them all out of a hub and a spoke concept, with a setup that links our international connections. At the same time, we see a huge growth in Southeast Asia. That huge growth, for it to readjust to the American model of e-commerce, it is going to have to come up by at least 400 or 500% up in the next few years. We are there to serve that market as well. So we've got a plan to move into a Southeast Asia AOC within the next year. In addition to that, we have our international brand and partners with Euro-Atlantic that serves our long-haul market, which serves the US to the subcontinent, US to China, US to the Middle East, Europe subcontinent, Europe, Middle East, Europe, Southeast Asia. All that is happening in the last few months, and we're so proud of it. Got a great team, completely brand new team that is working that, and things are looking even better. So the Dubai Air Show, perfect platform for us for that matter.
It's amazing, isn't it, how, the backdrop of COVID, some companies have really had to change their strategy. And actually, because of it, awful as it's been, but because of it, it means that these opportunities have now come about.
Yeah. I think all the opportunities with the e-commerce and the results of the COVID and reorientation of a lot of the aviation sector will have a positive impact. The airline industry needed a shakeup. This is the shakeup that's happening. We see another shakeup coming up on the cargo side, where we want to be placed there because we want to be asset light, and at the same time we want to play a disruptor role there. We want the customer to be able to book their own capacity on the flights directly without all the intermediary. That's where we are going.
It's fascinating, and it's great to see you thriving as well. Thank you very much there, Dr. Mohamed Juman.
Thank you very much. Thanks for the time.